Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have 2016 Dodge Grand Caravan and I will show you how to remove and replace the license plate light bulbs. This video should apply to Dodge Grand Caravans made from 2011 all the way up to 2020. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Okay, now the plate light bulbs are located just here above the license plate. So the easiest way to do it is just to partially open the lift gate, and then I will show you how to remove and replace them. Okay, why I said it's easier to do it this way, just because you don't have to get yourself into awkward position. Just by opening the lift gate you can work at your arm length. Okay, so as you can see, left sided is working and the right sided on my van is not working. Okay, so you will see like a small tab right here. You want to press that tab in and then pull this housing out towards yourself. You want to do it gently so you don't crack it. Okay, here we go. And now to remove the bulb from the housing, you just want to turn this socket here counterclockwise. Okay, so here's the housing and here is the bulb. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.